There is something shifting around you as this year comes to an end. Not loudly, not suddenly, just quietly, the way real change always begins. You've been carrying an invisible weight, a worry about money, a fear of lack, a pressure to keep everything together. But this December brings a different kind of mercy, a softness, a release, a gentle realignment of the things you thought you lost. Your energy is changing. Your mind is clearing. Your spirit is finally ready to let go of the belief that you must struggle for everything. You are entering a season where your worth and your wealth begin to match each other, where your effort and your blessings finally align. Allow this upgrade, allow this ease, allow this shift into a timeline where money flows to you without fear attached to it. This month is not an ending, it's a doorway. And the moment you step through it, life will begin responding to the version of you that finally believes you deserve more.